Hey guys, I'll be doing a video, but this time on pack opener. Oh, that's an old pack. So I'm new to this, and these are the players I've got. Purple Ronaldo, informed Neymar, and if you've watched Rory's channel, which is I think. Oh, sorry about the noise in the background. I'm just gonna turn it down. Sorry. Just video games to attack us. Turn it down. Right, there you go, guys. So, if you've watched Rory Hunt's video, I can't remember what it is, but he is trying to get this guy, Inform Neymar. I got him in my second pack. So let's start opening these, and let's hope I can get some good players for you guys. Yeah, so if I go a bit quiet, it's just that I'm getting bored. I just won't get any good players. Like Dante, he's alright. Wait, sorry guys. Right, hi guys, I'm back. So right, yeah, he always phones me into the middle of the video, doesn't he? So yeah, no one good so far. No one good. Come on. Who's this? Nope, I thought that was David Silva for a moment. But of course not. Tevez, he's alright. He's alright, I'll take him. Let's see who I get in this one. Oh, I thought it was Messi. Lamella though. I've got his inform card as well. Danny, wow. That's one player I don't want to get. Bojan, he's a good player on FIFA. See what I can do with this. Oh, Montero. This Santo. Right, that was terrible. Yes. Oh, I thought it was Pirlo. If you want to get this game yourself, I got Nelto. It is this. You can only get it on like Android and tablets. It's called Pack Opener, and it's really good. So yeah, if you want to, then you can get it. Oh, I got DeMarcos. Not the best. Jesus. Wow. Jesus. Oh, he's good. Yes, I'll be doing FIFA 16 videos as well on here. I just need to download the game first, and then I'll start a series on here, like series 1 and stuff, because I haven't started it yet. So yeah. Come on, I've got to get something good. Herrera. Andre Herrera. Oh my gosh. Berkey. Yes, I got a rare. Oh, why did I think it's Roberto Carlos? Oh, I thought it was a legend. Oh, Lucas. Oh, okay. Oh. Right, guys, I think I'll have to end it there, because I'm not getting no one good at all. So, bye. Hope you watch more videos of mine. Thank you.